Introduction to Event-Driven Programming.
Event-driven programming is a paradigm where the flow of a program is controlled by events. These events can include user interactions, messages from other programs, or sensor outputs. Instead of running in a strict sequence, the program waits for events and responds to them as they occur, making software more flexible and interactive.
How event-driven programming works.
In event-driven programming, special functions known as event handlers are set up to react when a specific event happens. For example, clicking a button or receiving a network message. The main structure is a loop that constantly listens for events, triggering the appropriate handler as soon as one occurs. This allows the program to respond instantly and efficiently.
Real-world applications.
Event-driven programming is widely used in modern software. It powers user interfaces in desktop applications, games, and mobile apps, letting you interact with menus and buttons. Web browsers and servers rely on it to handle requests. It's also important in hardware control, like robotics, where programs react to sensor input and environment changes.
Advantages of event-driven programming.
This approach helps create responsive and efficient programs. Because tasks happen only in response to events, resources are used more wisely. Applications can easily handle many inputs at once, which is essential for multitasking environments. Event-driven programming also leads to more modular and maintainable code, making updates and debugging simpler.
When to use event-driven programming.
Event-driven programming is ideal when your software needs to react to unpredictable events or user interactions. If you're building anything with a graphical interface, real-time communication, or devices that handle multiple signals, this paradigm is likely the best fit. It forms the backbone of dynamic, interactive, and scalable modern software.